When you're welding, the shielding gas you choose is critical for the final result. It impacts everything from the stability of your arc to the smoothness of your welds. The right mix can increase your welding speed, reduce spatter, and even enhance the strength and appearance of your welds. In this video, we'll explore how to pick the perfect welding gas mix for your project and improve both the quality and efficiency of your welds. Argon. This is a go-to for TIG and MIG welding. It creates a stable arc, which means smooth, clean welds with minimal spatter. It's like the gold standard in welding gases. Oxygen. A small amount of oxygen in the mix can actually increase the heat of the weld pool and improve metal flow. It helps create a hotter arc, which is useful for faster welding and thinner materials. Carbon dioxide mixed with argon. Carbon dioxide is a common choice for MIG welding. It helps increase penetration so your welds are deeper and stronger. But be careful, too much carbon dioxide can lead to more spatter. Helium. It's a bit pricier, but helium can boost the arc temperature and welding speed, especially for materials like aluminum. It's perfect for those high-speed, high-temperature jobs. Now let's talk about binary gas mixtures. That's when two gases are mixed together. These are super popular in welding, and here are a few mixes you might use. Argon plus oxygen. Adding a bit of oxygen to argon gives you a more stable arc, reduces spatter, and helps with metal flow. This mix is great for welding carbon steel, low alloy steels, and stainless steel. Argon plus carbon dioxide. This combo is known for improving weld strength and corrosion resistance. You get the deep penetration of carbon dioxide with less spatter thanks to the argon. Perfect for welding carbon steel and stainless steel. Argon plus hydrogen. Hydrogen increases arc temperature and welding speed, making it ideal for high alloy metals like nickel and stainless steel. It also helps reduce the formation of weld defects like porosity. Then, we have ternary gas mixtures, which are made of 3 gases. These blends give you even more control over your welds and are perfect for those challenging jobs. Argon plus oxygen plus carbon dioxide. You get reduced spatter, improved fluidity in the weld pool, and less chance of bubbles forming. This one's great for welding a wide range of materials from carbon steel to stainless steel. Argon plus helium plus carbon dioxide. This combo improves arc stability and heat control. It's excellent for creating smoother welds, especially on thicker materials or when you need a fast, high-quality weld. The helium in the mix keeps oxidation low, which is great for short-circuit MIG welding. Here's the thing, gas ratios matter. The amount of carbon dioxide or oxygen you mix with argon can change how the weld behaves. For example, increasing carbon dioxide in your argon mix gives you faster welding speeds and deeper penetration. But it could also increase spatter and the risk of porosity. For stainless steel or aluminum, you might want a mix that stabilizes the arc and reduces oxidation, like argon with a bit of helium or hydrogen. For carbon steel, a mix with carbon dioxide could give you better penetration and weld strength, but be mindful of that extra spatter. And that's a wrap on choosing the right shielding gas for your welds. As you can see, selecting the right gas mixture is just as important as your welding technique itself. By understanding the properties of each gas and how they interact, you can achieve stronger, cleaner, and faster welds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more welding tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.